So we're wrapping his car seat. I think it did free, but at $3,000. So we decide to wrap it because we're not gonna let him use it. We just need it for when we reach. So yeah, Sam, excited? I have to walk all the way, Vanessa. Me not gonna just cut it out. You can't just bother with so much. Most annoying part. Shoes off, everything. Can't bother. You want to do this our elevator? You alright with this?
The winner. Look. Ready? Let's go.
Yeah.
Guys, look at Samuel in the airport. Come this way.
Hey, come.
Sam, you alright? Tired? Tired?
I'm ready.
You ready? Oh. So yeah, I say a friend them on jet will be I always keep you waiting. I'm gonna stop video now. Alright, I'm sorry. Alright, I'm sorry. So guys, someone is in the airport having a concert. I don't want anybody to video him. Look at his audience over there. It's a full house, guys. It's a full house. See that? You see that? You're at the airport? You want to sing a song? You want to sing a song for them? Some people let them see. Give them the dance now. Give them the dance. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yeah. All right, all right, all right. No more, no more, no more.
You're excited?
Yeah.
A few moments later.
I got that airport
Okay, so you're at the airport and mommy and daddy's at the airport too, right? That's what you're saying? Okay. Bye guys. What you doing?
I'm set up the camera to get my videos.
Get inside.
One more. Ready? Proceed. Excited. Let's go. Let's go.
One eternity later.
Yeah.
Whoa. Daddy. Daddy.
Stop? Yes, let's go. Yeah. Samuel, what do you want?
I want to go to hotel.
You're lucky. Hotel. Where are you going? Where? You're going to the plane?
I can't get
Here, Sam, sit down in here until you look for daddy. This way. Thank you. What is this? What's that reaction? You're excited? Huh? Yeah, you buckle up.
Alright guys, so on the flight now. Not sure if you can hear me, but we're tired, it's late. Flight delayed like 3 times, but we're on our way now, so we'll connect back with you guys, alright? Sam, you playing game already? Huh? Sam? Samuel, you going to sleep? So you have to close that. The plane is going to take off now. Close it.
If you are able,
for the local time is 1:47 a.m. For your safety, please keep your seatbelt fastened until the captain has turned off the seatbelt signs. Be careful when opening overhead bins. The light intends to read during flight.
Tired, Chris? Tired. Waiting on our luggage. That's not us. Come, walk with daddy as soon. Like guys, we never know. We travel with some car seat and them send it for somewhere different than where we pick up the luggage. If we never ask, we wouldn't know. After we get everything and stand up there, wait how long? Him grumpy more sleep, Sam? Alright, let's go now.
Alright guys, so Uber just picked me up. Alright guys, so we got home safe. We got home like 3 a.m.
Yeah. Hi guys.
Hey.
I'm here.
You're here? Where are you?
But I'm bed.
Up here on the bed?
Yeah.
Okay.
My dad.
Yeah, so it was a very long day. Actually, it was a regular working day. We got a flight in the night. It delayed about 3 times. So we made it to our destination at around 3 o'clock in the morning. And I didn't expect the place to be this cold because it's not winter yet, but it is what it is. Where are you? This is not no hotel. Come on the bed, come talk to them. Come. Anyway, so sorry about that. Samuel changed his mind and him gone. He's been singing that he wants to go to the hotel, and even though we carry him to the airport, get him on a plane, he's still asking about hotel. So, yeah? The phone ringing. But that's not our phone. Leave it. Come, leave the phone. Yes guys, so Samuel wake up and take out them things. You see it there? Dinosaur on the ground and cars and everything. But yeah, I don't know what's going to happen today. But I'm going to end this vlog and then we'll pick up with you guys in another video. No. Thank you guys so much for taking the journey with ChriSamz. Like I said, we are fine.
I'm here.
And yeah.
I'm here, guys.
Thank you for watching.
Hi.
Tell them later what talk. Tell them later you don't brush your teeth yet. Face is messy. Tell them later. Alright guys, so we'll link. Later.
I'm going back my